If you want a simple way to buy a GoDaddy domain and email starter bundle, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We're going to search for a domain, add it to the cart, choose the starter bundle option, pick your registration term, create an account if needed, and finish the payment process. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your domain and email set up without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and web tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the official GoDaddy website. Once the page loads, look for the domain search bar right on the home page. This is where you'll type in the name you want for your website. Try to use a domain name that is short, clearer, and easy to remember. After typing it in, click search and wait for GoDaddy to check availability. If the domain is available, you'll see it listed along with pricing options. Take a moment to review the result and make sure it matches what you want. If you like it, click Add to Cart next to that domain. GoDaddy may show you a few extra suggestions or add-ons, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the domain and starter bundle setup. Once you've added the domain, click Continue to Cart to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the configuration page, and this is where the email starter bundle comes in. Look carefully for options such as professional email or domain bundle. Depending on the current layout, GoDaddy may present the starter plan as an add-on or included bundle choice. Find the starter plan option and check the box to include it in your order. This is the part that gives you the email starter feature alongside your domain purchase, which is useful if you want a more professional setup for your business or personal brand. After selecting the bundle, you'll need to choose your registration term. You'll usually see a drop-down menu that lets you select how long you want to register the domain for, often from 1 year up to 5 years. If you're just getting started, 1 year may be the easiest option, but if you already know you want to keep the domain long-term, a longer term can save you time later. Select the option that works best for your needs and budget. Next, GoDaddy will ask you to sign in. If you already have a GoDaddy account, just enter your login details and continue. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create a new account right on the spot. Enter your name, email address, and create your password so GoDaddy can save your order and manage your domain. This step is important because your account will be where you control your domain settings, billing, and email services later on. Once your account is ready, continue to the checkout page. Here, you'll need to fill in your billing address and payment details. Take your time and double-check everything before moving forward. Review the line items carefully so you can confirm the domain, starter bundle, term length, and total cost are all correct. This is the best moment to make sure nothing unnecessary has been added to your order. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Complete Purchase. After that, GoDaddy will process your payment and finalize the order. In a few moments, your domain and email starter bundle should be activated or added to your account, depending on the setup and any follow-up steps required. From there, you can head into your GoDaddy dashboard to manage your domain, set up your email, and continue building your website or online business. So that's the full process for buying a GoDaddy domain and email starter bundle. It's really just a matter of searching for your domain, adding it to the cart, selecting the starter plan, choosing your term, signing into your account, and completing the purchase. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.